Okay, welcome guys in my channel on tips about Google Sheets or in Excel. In this video, I want to show you how to connecting to two files of Google Sheets using a function called Importrange. Okay, for here I have two files, file 01 and file 02. I just call it 01 and 02 to make you easier. And then first I want to make it side by side for better look. Then I want to put in this first file 01 called data from 01. And then this sheets of file 02 I want to write that data from 02. Now how to connect each other? We can call data from file 02 into file 01 and then reverse from file 01 to file 02. Now you just put the equal import range, import, just remember import range, not import data, import range, and then put the spreadsheet URL. The URL is here from file 02. Just copy and then put here, don't forget the quotes, and then close, comma, and you have to write the sheets of your Google Sheets of your files. In my case is the sheet is sheet 1, so I put sheet 1 and then A1. Hit the enter. Now it called ref. It means it means error. This one, the warning is you need to connect these sheets. You just click allow access. Now the data from file 02 is shown on file 01. This is real time. For example, I put example real time. It just takes seconds. See? It's very good. I will repeat now from file 01 to file 02. Import range. And then copy the URL. And then call the sheets, the cell. Hit the enter. Oops. I'm sorry. Not import HTML, but import range. Now we need to allow the access. Now here in file 02 I have the data from file 01. I want to show you again about the real-time cases. Real-time. It's real-time. This take about 2 or 3 seconds. It's very good. It's very useful function, import range. If you have a bunch of data, thousand, million, billions of data, billions of cell, this one can make you easier to analyze your data. Okay, I hope it's helpful for you. If you like, please subscribe my channel. If you have any question, don't hesitate to put in the comment below. Bye.